Model, 2016 CitroenDispatch Expert 1000L1H1 Enterprise 1.6 HDI Excellent runner. Long MOT. Exhaust manifold gasket is leaking. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 139483. MOT, the 31st of January 2026. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 UCA. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Unfortunately, the exhaust manifold gasket is leaking, so sounds loud than usual. The engine, clutch, gearbox and turbo is still all working perfectly fine. Still has power, can be driven away, but ideally will want repairing. Definitely worth doing loads of MOT. No VAT bargain. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable.